Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new recipe about seafood, and the seafood is about sea snail salad with banana flour. Let's see the recipe together. Sea snail, there are so many sea snail as you can see. Lamb, banana flour, kaffir lamb leaf, chili, carrot, cucumber, peanut, salad and garlic, sugar, salt, fish sauce. I'm going to clean sea snail. And then I add some salt in the water and keep it around 10 minutes. After I keep the snail in the water with some salt, as you can see, it comes with a lot of dust in the water. And add some sugar, add some salt, add some water. And then I start to boil it. Then I start to cut banana flour, and before cutting it, I just add some salt in the water. And keep it aside. Clean all vegetables. cucumber, finish. Now I open the cover and I think the snail is enough. So before I take it up, I just test it for you one. Before I take the meat out from the snail shell, I just keep it cool down and then I go to make salad sauce. Pound roasted peanut, it is enough, so I take it up. Pound chili, pound garlic with chili, add sugar, add fish sauce, cut salad, cut lamb, add lamb in salad sauce, after finish making salad sauce, now I move back to take the meat out. This one. Take the pulp out. Add salad sauce, add vegetable, cucumber and carrot, add banana flour and start to make it together. Add salad. And snail. Now snail salad with banana flour is finished, so I take it out. Decorate it with some chili. Time to test it with me and my brother. So let's test with us. Này, đây ạ. Tỏ. Ngắn. Yummy. Rửa tiện nữa. Nhanh nhỉ? Rửa tiện. So yummy. Yummy.
Yummy.
I just want to tell you after I test it with my brother. I can say this kind of recipe is very yummy, and if you like and you think it is good for you and your family, you can follow it from my video. And I hope that you will like and enjoy the recipe today. So see you the next recipe. Bye bye.
Bye bye.